A conversation between a mother and son about a holiday trip.
Mom, I am home.
How was your last exam?
It was very good. Now, exams have come to an end. I will finally enjoy these 2 months of holidays now.
You look very excited.
Yes, Mom. I am. For the next 2 months, I will play with my friends every day without any worries.
Yeah, I know. But before you go to play, your dad and I have some exciting news for you. Do you want to take a guess?
Have you bought a gift for me?
No. It is something much better than that.
Oh, Mom, I am unable to guess. You tell me.
All right. All right. You, me and your dad are going on a short trip for 2 weeks to London. Excited?
Oh, wow. This is amazing. We can eat a lots of delicious there and buy lots of clothes, right, Mom?
That is right.
And what else we will be doing there?
There are many places worth visiting there, where we will roam.
Wow! I am super excited, Mom. Oh, then I will have to do lots of packing. I will have to put in my colorful shoes, my fancy hat, and lots of clothes.
All right. So, are you excited to go?
Yes, Mom. I am very excited for this trip.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.